Lavender is a really cleansing essential oil. I just got done filling some more of the orange oil. It's really good to dilute and put on a rag and clean around with. You can, if you have an extra spray bottle, you can get a spray bottle and put a few drops of your favorite carrier oil, or not carrier oil, like a witch hazel, or maybe some sort of alcohol that you have around the house, and put a couple of drops of lavender or orange and have it on a rag, and you can clean around. A couple of drops will do you on certain surfaces. You'd have to look up the rest, but essential oils are good in cleansing. Have a good day.